Imagine wind farms towering higher than ever before, and bridges that give the sensation of walking on air. You can even go bungee jumping on glass bridges. You can find all of those in China. In this fast-developing country, projects aren't just massive, they're built at breakneck speed using cutting-edge technology and innovative construction methods. But how does China achieve this? What secrets lie behind these engineering marvels? Stay tuned to find out. But before we get into it, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're done with that, then let's get started. Ultra-high altitude wind farm in Tibet. In the high mountains of Tibet, at an astonishing altitude of 15,000 feet, 4,500 meters, lies a remarkable wind power project in Nagu City. This wind farm, the largest of its kind in the world, features 25 turbines and generates 100 megawatts of power, enough to sustainably supply 230,000 residents annually, producing around 200 million kilowatt hours. By implementing this project, China is expected to save 60,000 tons of coal and reduce carbon emissions by 160,000 tons each year. Despite extreme altitudes and challenging weather conditions, the project was completed in just over 260 days with an investment of just above $90 million. This project showcases China's capability to implement large-scale renewable energy solutions in challenging environments. By tackling extreme altitudes and harsh weather conditions, China demonstrates innovation in turbine technology and project execution at high elevations. Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. The Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, stretching an impressive 34 miles, 55 kilometers, holds the title of the world's longest sea crossing. This grand project features a trio of cable-stayed bridges, artificial islands, and one of the longest underwater tunnels globally. Its construction spanned 8 years and cost over $19 billion USD, linking Hong Kong, the new Hong Kong International Airport, Macau, and Zhuhai, significantly shortened travel times between the 11 cities in the area, showcasing China's engineering prowess. Nestled within the densely populated Pearl River Delta, home to approximately 68 million residents, the bridge serves as a crucial connection point in one of the planet's most crowded regions. The transition of Hong Kong and Macau from British and Portuguese control back to China in the late 1990s catalyzed discussions between Chinese and Hong Kong officials about bridging the delta's eastern and western shores to foster economic growth and unity. Recognized for its potential to boost employment, reduce border congestion, and decrease carbon footprints, the project received the green light. However, challenges like typhoons, humid weather, and strong currents made it a challenging engineering feat. Construction commenced in 2009 on the Chinese portion, which extends 29.6 kilometers and includes 22.9 kilometers of elevated paths and 3 significant bridges, concluding with an artificial island that leads into a 7-kilometer-long submarine passage. In April 2024, the Hong Kong government recorded over 19,000 inbound and outbound vehicles on the first Monday, marking a record high since its opening. As the world's longest sea crossing, this project highlights China's advanced engineering in large-scale infrastructure. It integrates complex bridge tunnel designs to connect densely populated regions efficiently, demonstrating prowess in overcoming geographic barriers. Sanyuan Bridge. Imagine one of the busiest highway bridges in Beijing, the Sanyuan Bridge, with over 200,000 vehicles crossing it daily. The bridge was in dire need of replacement, and the city engineers faced the challenge of completing this task in the shortest time possible to avoid a massive economic catastrophe. The solution? Replace the bridge in record time, a feat captured in a time-lapse video by CCTV. The goal was to finish the replacement in 24 hours, but the damage was worse than expected. Nevertheless, the Chinese team managed to complete the entire process in just 43 hours, leaving German and American engineers in awe of their speed and efficiency. How did they do it? At 6 a.m. the bridge was completely shut down. All machinery, including cranes, bulldozers, and trucks, was positioned the night before. Within 30 minutes they began demolishing the old bridge using large, water-cooled saws to cut through the concrete and steel, breaking it into 27 giant chunks. each weighing up to 139 tons, equivalent to the weight of 20 elephants. Meanwhile, the new bridge, a massive structure of nearly 1,300 tons fully assembled, was ready nearby. How do you move such a colossal piece into place? Enter the Chinese-made megalifters with 96 wheels each, capable of lifting enormous weights. These machines, linked by GPS and synchronized perfectly, lifted the new bridge a few centimeters and started moving it toward the old bridge's location. The deconstruction team worked swiftly to remove the last chunks of the old bridge. The engineers opted to keep the old supports, positioning the new bridge on top. Using GPS lasers and other precision tools, they ensured the new bridge fit perfectly. The entire process from start to finish took 43 hours, successfully avoiding a traffic nightmare in Beijing. Originally planned to take less than 24 hours, the discovery that the old support pillars needed new steel pins caused a delay. Despite this, completing the project in 43 hours is still incredibly fast. The rapid replacement of the San Yuan Bridge exemplifies China's engineering agility. Completing such a complex task in 43 hours, despite unexpected challenges, underscores China's capability in rapid infrastructure development and crisis management. Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge. Imagine standing on a bridge with the ground beneath you made entirely of glass. Would you dare to cross it? This is China's Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, the world's longest and highest glass-bottom pedestrian bridge. It pushes the boundaries of construction and perception, creating an illusion of weightlessness that you will either love or hate. More than just a marvel of grandeur, this bridge is a statement of innovation. Supported by massive steel girders and weighing a reassuring 2,200 tons, it perfectly balances aesthetic beauty and unyielding strength. With a construction budget of $70 million USD, no expense was spared to ensure its integrity. The bridge's glass deck is particularly fascinating. It features a tri-layer of specially hardened glass, each layer 50 mm thick, capable of withstanding even a 40-ton truck. Engineers demonstrated this by driving a truck across it, showing only a 2-centimeter deflection with no cracks. They even invited people to smash the glass with hammers. While the top layers shattered, the crucial bottom layers remained intact, proving the bridge's strength. High altitudes brought unique challenges, from wind forces to potential vibrations. Ingenious solutions, such as discrete steel poles, giant glass balls, and massive water reservoirs, were implemented to ensure stability and safety. The design also incorporates bends in the railings to prevent destabilizing resonant vibrations. The Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge is more than just a pedestrian bridge. It's also a venue for adrenaline junkies. You can go bungee jumping off its platform, adding another thrill to the already heart-stopping experience. As a major tourist attraction, it also enhances China's global profile by attracting visitors from around the world. It serves as a symbol of China's modernity and capability to create iconic landmarks that push the boundaries of construction and perception. So, what are your thoughts on these Chinese mega projects? Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. If you liked today's content, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.